What's up, y'all? So I'm out here in some woods that I found. I trekked to it. I had to go on a little journey to get here. And I ain't found no snake or anything yet, but the first log I flipped over when I got here had all these fucking worms. Look at all these cocksuckers. Wormy. If I had a cup, I'd probably take them, go fishing or something. That's crazy though. I've never seen that many wild worms in the woods. That's a wacky rhyme, understood? Yeah. Dope. Look at this one. Wah. Holy shit, guys, I just found my first salamander. There he is. He's a slimy guy. Whoa. What is he? Holy shit, guys, look at this thing. This is the coolest thing I've ever fucking seen. What's up, buddy? Hey, it's okay. It's okay. Whoa. This thing is neat. Very chill. He's a little nervous at first, but he's calming down. Very dope. I have no idea what kind of salamander he is. He doesn't look like, I mean, he's got speckles, but I don't know if he's the speckled salamander. He's definitely hella dope. Yeah, baby. Nice. Good find. Stumbled upon a eastern box turtle nesting under a log. Pretty cool. I'm not gonna bother him. I'm gonna just leave him alone. He's in there though, doing his thing. Turtle gang. Behold, I found another salamander. He's a little baby version of the one I found. And I didn't mean to say speckled. I meant to say marbled. But I don't quite know if this is a marbled salamander because it's not as marbled. It's more speckled. A common wood salamander probably, but he's hella cool. Oh, he took a leap. That's cool, man. I'm at a good spot, man, because there's worms under every log I put. There's fucking worms everywhere, somewhere. But bugs, and that's what the salamanders are in here eating. Oh, that's dope that I found another one. Hell yeah, guys, I stumbled across another one. Another little baby. So I came across a pretty big one and two babies. That's pretty cool because I haven't found a salamander or anything different in a while. You don't see these too often unless you're looking for them. This one's getting used to me. I'm gonna let him go. I'm gonna let you go, little bud. His little tail's wagging, he's so cute. Look at him. Oh. His tail might be hurt, actually. Shit. Found a cool dead turtle shell. Looks like it's been there a while. Darn right. Yo, wherever I'm at, there are some monster earthworms. Look at that. You would have thought he was a snake. Motherfucker's huge. I didn't record this, but I had to makeshift this little bridge to jump this little creek on my way to where I was just at in the woods. It worked. Bow. Bam. And I can use that for passage next time. Oh look, there's a butterfly.